They both just. Oh, nah. What? We got something to show you guys today. We got an engine from an engine depot. And the engine looked great. It did. It looked pretty good.
Yo, Valentine's Day passed already, and you know we got
Here we go.
We got a deal on some chocolate. Hold on.
That's all sludge.
It's delicious.
No. Literally, I'm waiting for Eddie to throw up. Look, he doesn't even know what he's looking at right now.
Imagine I just go and just touch him with it.
I need a glove. Hold on. Nah, actually, Jesus, you show them. This sludge is the worst. I mean, this is probably the worst I've seen. I don't know.
This is one
probably
of the
not
worst
the worst
I've
Chris
seen.
seen, but
This is one of the worst.
Not the worst I've seen, but it's up there.
so this is where the upper timing chain guide goes. We'll show you on the engine.
So we're gonna run this engine with simple green.
No.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be there, dude.
Yeah, no.
That's all sludge. And all this red color, it's not supposed to be red. This is like, this engine's running hot, old oil. So now we're a little bit,
Worried.
yeah, worried is a,
Concerned.
yeah, we're concerned now because kind of too far. I mean, we could throw everything back together and call the depot and try to argue with them, but what?
Let's not do it.
No, it's the metals. It's all discolored. Yeah. So we're gonna take a rod cap off right now, and
We did.
how bad did it look?
It looked fine.
It looked good.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. So the bearings look good. So what do you do in this situation?
Let the customer know.
Let the customer know and see.
Buy up on
And cross fingers and pray now, but we're gonna do the, do the oil galley gaskets on this thing are probably. All these are probably just clogged with oil.
You think this is a candidate for seafoam?
I don't know. I've never used seafoam before.
We could be a first.
I mean, we're definitely going to use something. Some kind of oil cleaning additive, probably the Motul stuff. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think that's going to really help.
We're gonna have to run.
There we go. Now it's coming on.
I'm probably going to say we should get an oil pickup.
Yeah.
What about this, man?
Yeah, the oil pan paint is coming off.
From the
You
inside.
hear that?
Yeah.
You got a piece of paint for you.
Good shit.
Paint chip.
Have you looked in like these oil return holes, Chris?
Where?
Like seen
Oil?
not chocolate?
No.
We should probably replace the pump too.
Probably should.
So, yeah, so this was going to be one price and now it's going to be a different price.
Yeah. If I had unlimited money and this was my motor, I wouldn't even clean that. I would get new timing covers. It already comes with the oil galley gaskets already in it.
Why? You can clean that.
I know you can.
Why do you need to change it?
I don't know.
It's not broken.
It's not broken, but you know.
I mean, we're doing the tensioners anyway, all that stuff, so I don't know, but there's no way for us to see what everything looks like. I mean, now I want to take the valve covers off.
Yeah.
So before we didn't think we needed to because honestly, everything looked pretty good outside. There's no oil leaking anywhere.
This guy got 12.
It looked pretty good. The compression was good, but
Like a 12.
it's not good. Things are not good. So, what did the oil pan look like anyway?
Same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's some.
I have nowhere else to put it.
I mean, there's fresh oil here. There's just sludge.
everywhere.
It's weird.
Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
Maybe something else happened, dude. I don't know. What do you guys think happened to this engine? You think it was just lack of maintenance, or do you think it was something else? Customer's picking up, so I gotta go. But
Oh, nah. It's like you had dinner with the devil and you just that was food. What the f? It looks like a turd.
That's what those vegans. That's a healthy.
Here's-